So in the previous video that I talked on Bitcoin, I mentioned that Bitcoin has just started selling down and there were two key levels that we needed to pay attention to. One of it was this level here, and of course the other level was here. So now I just want to provide a quick update about the current price action, because you can see that on this candle here, which is yesterday, the 8th of September, you can see that we actually got a daily candle that closed below this zone. However, I think we still need to be careful to conclude whether this support is actually being broken. Because I want to highlight to you that if we were to be a bit more prudent and just drag this level down to this wick, just taking into account this wick right here, you can see that yesterday's candle close wasn't very conclusive. So for this reason, I would say that Bitcoin is not entirely bearish. Okay, I would not say that this support is really broken. Ideally, I would like to see something where price is just closing right into here. Okay, if we do see that, then probably we're going to see price hit down lower towards this level or even lower right here to trigger more stop losses. Now, I just want to go into the lower time frame just to give you some guidance on what you should be looking out for to validate that this support is still strong, or rather that this support is going to hold. Now, you don't see much on the H4, but one thing to note is that the range has been tightening. In fact, you can actually see this on the daily time frame where you have this big candle and then after that it gets very small. And right now it's 1 p.m. in my country, but you can see that the candle range is still quite small. This is quite common. After a big move, the range tightens up. Now, if we were to go to the H1 chart, you can see that there's actually some form of descending triangle right here. So I just want to draw it for you. So I think this descending triangle, or rather this descending trend line right here, is very important to take note. If we get a nice break above, something like this, we get a nice break above, then we can reasonably conclude that this support is going to hold, and potentially this whole entire movement down is a fake manipulation that the big boys were just trying to load up towards the long side. But of course, if we don't get that, then we are likely to see price sell down lower to this level, to test this level, and potentially even this level. So it's a pretty simple analysis. Right now, it's just a waiting game. I don't expect the market to move very fast, especially after this big movement down. So please be patient. A lot of the other cryptocurrency pairs are not moving because of this flash crash. In fact, the FX market, which I specialize in, is also not moving much. So just take some time off the market, be patient, don't force a trade. So that's all I have for you in this video. Hope you got a ton of value. Right, do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I also have a free day trading guide, which you can find the link to download in the description down below. Go grab it. You can use that to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies as well. Okay, that's where I recommend that you start. If not, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.